Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is construction, and in that class we discuss two very important topics. Two very important topics related to that topic. Okay. Now, dear students, in today class we are going to discuss both the topic of the chapter construction, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. Dear friend, this is the last class of the construction. After that your syllabus is completed now. Okay. After completing the syllabus book of your syllabus, we revise all the chapter of your NCERT book, like as term 1 and term 2. Okay. So first term and second term according, we take the chapter and revising them. Now this is the last class of the construction, so please concentrate, dear students, in that class. So we take two questions. One is based on the topic when we construct a triangle, when its base, one base angle and the sum of the other two sides are given, and second question we take as when its base, when base per base angle and difference between two other sides are given. Okay, so just be revising both the topic together. So let's see the questions. We take a very important question of related to your syllabus, and the question is construct a triangle ABC. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to in which BC is equal to 3.6 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter, and sum of the other two sides means AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and angle B is equal to, and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to what? 60 degree. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, this is one of the most important topic of your syllabus. Okay, so let's see here. We already discussed about that topic. What is the process to construct that type of triangle when one base angle and the sum of the other two sides is given. So dear friends, you know that very well. In step first, what I do? Dear student, in step first, we draw the base. BC is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Draw the base of the triangle ABC, that is BC is equal to 3.6 centimeter. First of all, this is the first step of construction. So let's see. So dear friend, we take a point B and C. So we draw a base BC. Okay, now after that, in second step of construction, step 2. In step 2, we construct its base angle, which is one base angle which is already given as AB, angle B is 60 degree. So we draw. So dear student, we draw ray BX such that angle CBX, or simply says that angle B is equal to 60 degree, means in this way. Okay, so we construct an angle of 60 degree with the help of protractor. No need to construct the given angle with the help of ruler and compasses. You construct the given angle in that type of question by using the protractor also. Okay, now look. So in first step of construction, first of all we draw the base of the triangle as BC is equal to 3.6 centimeter. After that we draw a ray BX. We draw a ray BX such that angle B, or you can say that simply angle C BX is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now look. In step third, what I do? Dear students, from the ray BX, we cut off a line segment BD such that its distance is equal to the sum of the other two sides, which is given in our questions. In that type of construction, you know it very well. In already discussed about previous classes. Let's see. In third step of construction, from ray BX, cut off a line segment BD, which is equal to the sum of the other two sides, that is BD is equal to AB plus AC, which is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the very important step of that type of construction, taking B as a center and distance, cut off a line segment BD on BX, and which take as the distance equal to sum of the other two sides, which is given in our question, which is 4.8. So as taking B as center and distance equal to 4.8, we cut off a line segment BD, suppose that at point D. Now what I do, dear friends, after that we join CD. Okay, now in step 4 we simply join CD, join CD. Okay, dear friends, join CD. Look, join CD. Okay, now what I do? After that, dear friends, in step 5, this is a very important step of these types of construction. Let's see. After joining the line segment point CD, we do the perpendicular bisectors of the line segment CD. We do the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD, and you know that what is the process? What is the procedure? What is the process to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment? You know that first of all, taking C as center and distance equal to more than half of CD. Okay, now first of all taking C as center and take the radius equal to more than half of CD, cuts a pair of arcs on both sides of the line segment. Okay, now have the same radius. Now we take the, now taking B as center, I have the same radius cuts another R. Now taking, now we do the perpendicular bisector. Look, so step 5, we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Okay, we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD meeting BX, the radius at point A, meeting BX at point A. Okay, any means, first of all we draw the perpendicular bisector and extend, produce them. Look, meeting BX at point A, meeting BX at point A. Now in step 6 what I do, this is the final steps of construction. After that you just join AC, okay. After that now finally join AC, thus the required triangle is, that is the required triangle is ABC. Okay, thus the required triangle is A, B and C. Okay, so this is the whole steps of construction to construct the triangle, to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle and some of the other two sides are given. Okay, now that's what we do their justification, we justify that result. Okay, that construction, let's see. Now look, now we do here their justification. Look, dear friend, first of all, look, the point A is on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Thus, the distance of A from these 2 points C and D are equal to each other. This is the very important concept. So, since point A is on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD, thus the distance of A from these 2 points, equal to each other, that is AC is equal to AD, that is AD is equal to AC. Take equation number 1. Okay, since the reason behind that is what? The reason behind that is this कि and the point A is on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. Thus, the distance of A from these two points C and D are equal to each other. It means that AD is equal to ADC. Now again from figure. Now again from figure BD. Look, BD is equal to 4.8. BD is equal to 4.8 now from construction, because of here we take a cut off our line segment of the length equal to sum of the other two sides 4.8 centimeter. You know that. And now from figure we split the BD in the form of BA plus AD. We can write BD as BA plus AD is equal to 4.8. Now using equation 1 we get, in equation 1 AD is equal to AC we can write, thus AB plus AC is equal to 4.8, which is given in our question. Means we have to show that the sum of the other two sides AB plus AC is given as what? 4.8. Hence justify. Hence justify. In this way, triangle ABC is our required triangle. Okay. So dear students, so in this way we cleared the concept. One more time we clear the concept of to construct a triangle when its base, one base angle and the sum of the other two sides are given. So dear students, first of all you do more and more practices of that type of construction and complete your NCERT exercise. Now dear students, we take and solve one more questions based on the next and very important topic कि one base when its base, construct a triangle when base, one base angle and difference between the two other sides are given. Let's see. Now look, take a very important question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to in which BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter. 3.4 centimeter. AB minus AC is equal to AB minus AC is equal to 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter and angle B is equal to 45 degree. Now let's see its solution. Dear friend, this is also a very important questions of your syllabus construction or your chapter construction. Let's see its solution. What is the process to construct these types of questions? It is very easy. Don't worry. We follows the same process, but little bit change in this construction. So first of all, in step first, draw the base of the triangle, base of the triangle ABC, that is BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter. This is the first step of construction. Look, okay, here B and C, here there B and C. We take, first of all, we draw the base of the triangle BC is equal to 3.4 centimeter. Okay, now in second step of construction, what I do we do same process as previous one. Look, after that, angle B is given as what? One base angle is given as 45 degree. So draw a ray BX, draw a ray BX such that angle CBX, or simply can say that angle B is equal to 45 degree. After that, we construct the base angle which is given in our question. So look, this one. Now look, we draw the base of the triangle BX such that angle B is equal to what? 45 degree. Such that angle B is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now look, in step third, dear friends, in step third, taking B as center, taking B as center and distance equal to the difference between other two sides, which is 1.5 centimeter. So from ray BX, just in third step of construction, from ray BX, cut off a line segment BD, cut off a line segment BD such that BD is equal to, take is equal to AB minus AC as 1.5 centimeter. Okay, dear friends. Yes. So taking B as center and from ray A, cut off a line segment BD, and the length of BD is equal to the difference between other two sides, which is 1.5 centimeter, is given in our question. Now look, we're taking B as center and distance equal to 1.5, cut off a line segment BD. This is the 1.5 centimeter. Okay, dear friends. Now what I do in next step of construction, dear friends, in step 4, we just join CD. We just join CD. Just join CD. Okay. This is the fourth step. Now what I do? Now look. After that, in step 5, we do the perpendicular bisector of CD. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of line segment CD, which cuts the ray BX at point A. Okay, and you know that what is the process to construct the perpendicular bisector? You know that very well. Taking C as center and distance to more than half of the both the pair of arc of both sides of the triangle, same as angle D with the same, have the same radius, cut another arc, cut the previous arc at two distinct points. Now after that, what I do? Join these point of construction, okay, and produce them. First of all, we join them and produce. We start the be at that point A. At point A. Now, final step 6. Step 6, join AC through scale. Okay, join AC. Join AC. That is the required. Triangle is ABC. Okay, so this is the process. Now we do the justification of this question. Let's see. Now we do here. Justification. From figure it is clear that the point A is on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CD. So from figure to the distance of A from these 2 points remains same. So from A to AD is equal to AC. We take equation number 1. Since from figure BD is equal to what? 1.5 centimeter. That is, we can write BD as AB minus AD. AB minus AD. We can write AB minus AD. We can write BD, no? AB minus AD. Okay, is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Now using equation 1. Using equation 1, we get what we get. Let's see. Dear student, AD, we can put AD as AC. So we have what? AB minus AC is equal to 1.5 centimeter. In this way, we have to show that you have to show that the difference between two sides is what? 1.5 centimeter. Hence, verify. Thus, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay. So, dear student, this is the process to justify the given construction. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, we clear the concept of both the topic which are very important for you and your upcoming examination. Okay, which means construction of a triangle when its base, one base angle, and some of the other two sides are given, and second one is what? When its base, one base angle, and difference between the two other sides are given, and we take one questions based on both the topics. Okay, so please, first of all, you do more and more practices of this type of questions, and after that you completed your NCERT exercise. Okay? Thus, in this way, we cleared both the topic of that chapter. Now, the chapter construction is completed now, and in this way, we complete all the syllabus of your maths NCERT book. Okay. Now, in next class, we take the first term of your book syllabus and revise that topics. Okay. Now thanks to all.